Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook page or pages with GoHighLevel. This integration allows you to manage all your social media content and scheduling directly from your GoHighLevel dashboard, making it incredibly convenient to handle your marketing efforts in one centralized location. First, open your web browser and head over to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button at the top of the page and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your GoHighLevel account. After entering your credentials, click Sign In to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to your sub-account. GoHighLevel organizes workspaces into sub-accounts, so make sure you're working within the correct one for your business or client. Once you've opened your sub-account, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your account. In that left sidebar, locate and click on the option labeled Marketing. This will take you to the marketing page, which serves as your hub for all marketing-related features and integrations. From here, look at the top side menu where you'll see several tabs. Click on Social Planner to proceed to the Social Media Management section. The Social Planner page is where the magic happens. You'll see a comprehensive list of all the social media platforms you can connect with your GoHighLevel account, including Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Google Business Profile, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, and even your GoHighLevel community group. For our purpose today, click on the Facebook icon. This action will trigger a new window to appear, prompting you to sign in to your Facebook account. This is the crucial step where you'll authorize the connection between your Facebook page and GoHighLevel, allowing the platform to post and manage content on your behalf. Once you've successfully connected your Facebook page, take a moment to explore the additional features available on the Social Planner page. You'll notice options to upload bulk scheduling through CSV files, which is perfect if you're planning content weeks or months in advance. There's also functionality to create recurring posts, saving you time on repetitive content. These tools are designed to streamline your social media management, making it easier to maintain consistent posting across all your connected accounts from one accessible dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.